How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Samsung microwave with the SE error code. Now, this basically means that the main control board detects that one or more buttons on the touch panel are permanently stuck, shorted, or actively pressed down for more than 10 seconds. So, in order to fix this, the first thing that you want to do is to just reset the power. Now you could unplug the microwave completely from the wall outlet, wait for around 10 to 5 minutes to allow the control board's capacitor to fully drain, and then plug it back in and continue using it normally. The second one is that you want to deep clean the touch panel. So if there's something like grease, dirt, that's stuck on the actual touch panel, you want to just basically clear that off. You want to use the microfiber in order to do this, and you just want to make sure that the touchpad is completely dry. From there, you also want to clean the ribbon cable, but this is an advanced DIY, so take notice. So for safety warning, microwave contains a high voltage capacitor that stores lethal amounts of electricity when unplugged, so you don't want to touch any internal components near the real transformer or capacitor. Only proceed if you are comfortable working around electronics. And so after doing those steps, you have successfully fixed your Samsung Microwave SE error. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.